Hello guys, welcome to another video, and today we'll be making a colorful multi-purpose soap. You can see how beautiful this soap looks like. So just stay glued to your phone screen and see how this beautiful soap was achieved. Over here are the ingredients and the chemicals we'll be using for this soap production. They are displayed on my work table. The next thing I'll be doing is to highlight these ingredients with their measurements while the production is ongoing. This is the caustic soda and the water I'll be using. For the caustic soda, I'm making use of 2 caustic soda. Each of them are 63 grams in 2 different containers. They are both 63 grams. Then I'm making use of 2 waters. Each of them is 170 grams. Don't forget, 2 containers of caustic sodas, 2 containers of water. So I'll dissolve them separately in those different containers. You can see how I'm doing it. It's very simple and very easy. Also, don't forget to check the description of this video if you want to join my training group where I teach how to make soap, the body cream, the shower gel, the liquid soap, the hair shampoo, the Dettol, the bleach, the organic soap. There's a lot you will learn in my online class. If you have issues reaching me through the link, you can do well by chatting me up on WhatsApp through this mobile number displayed on the screen of this video. Just drop a message on WhatsApp and you'll be added to the training group. There you will learn how to make soap like a pro. Those that have been in my online class are producing soap very well. So back to the production. When you dissolve caustic soda, this mixture becomes very hot, so you have to keep it aside for it to cool down, which I'm going to do exactly that. Over here is the oil we'll be using. I'm making use of palm kernel oil, 300 grams each, and those 2 containers have palm kernel oil and they are the same measurement, 300 grams each. The first container has 300 grams, the other container has 300 grams. And over here I'm making use of groundnut oil, which is also known as peanut oil. I'm making use of 100 grams each. Those both containers that look like plates are 100 grams each, containing groundnut oil, which is also known as peanut oil. So I'm going to pour each of them into those different palm kernel oil. Then the next thing I'll be doing is to warm the oil. I will warm both oils. When you are making soap like this, you have to make sure your oil is warm, not hot, just warm them. So I'm going to warm the both of them on fire. So I'm done warming my oil, and my caustic soda is not hot again. My oil is warm. What I'll be doing next is to divide my sodium silicate into the different containers that have the oil. So I'll put half of the sodium silicate in the first container that has oil, then put half in the other container that has oil. Then I'm going to stir it properly. So both oils have sodium silicate in them. So you can see this is very easy. You just pour both colors from opposite ends. You can use any pattern. There are different methods of making colorful soap. There are different methods of pouring them. You can use any creative pattern or method you know of to make your own colorful soap. When you want to make soap like this, you have to be very creative. So I'm going to cover this. I'm covering it so that I will prevent the formation of soda ash. You know that whitish substance that appears on your soap the following day? That is called soda ash. It's a natural occurrence. If you don't want it to form on your soap, you just simply cover it with a nylon or anything you have to cover it with. After 24 hours, this is the result. Our soap is hard enough to be taken out of the soap mold. So while I'll be showing you this, I'll also show you the cutters that we produce. We produce this cutter at my workshop. We have them in bulk. We have them in large production. So if you need this precision soap cutter, you can do well by reaching us on the mobile number displayed there. You can chat us up on WhatsApp to purchase this precision soap cutter. This soap cutter will help you cut your soap into equal and even tablets, so you don't have one tablet looking bigger than the other. They'll all be of the same sizes. We deliver this cutter nationwide. Wheresoever you are in Nigeria, we can send it down to your location. If you're in other countries, we can also send it to your country through shipping. You can see how beautiful this soap looks like, and this cutter is cutting the soap in a very nice and using a very uniform method. So you don't have one bar looking bigger than the other. They'll all be of the same size. You can see this precision cutter is actually what you need if you are in the soap business. It gives you accurate cuts, no mistake. So thank you all for watching this video. If you are coming here for the first time to my channel, if you're watching this on YouTube, do well by subscribing to the channel so that you'll be updated by my newest and latest and fantastic videos like this. You can also click on the subscribe, the notification bell, so that you'll be updated when I drop new videos. If you're watching this on TikTok, do well by following me. If you're watching this on Facebook, do well by following me. I'm on Facebook, I'm on TikTok, and I'm on YouTube. So you can do well by following me on my social media pages. I drop a lot of lucrative videos. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to join my online class. Don't forget to purchase your soap equipment. We have a lot of equipment. We sell a lot of equipment. Do well by purchasing them. Goodbye, and see you all next time on our next video.